It's Embarkation Day, one of the most favorite days of most cruisers. Time to hop on your new ship, your home for the next however many days. We are pulling up right now here in Fort Lauderdale to the port, catching our first glimpses of the beautiful Enchanted Princess, our home for the next 14 days. Come along with us and let's check this out. It's adventure time. So now we are through. It is time to start the cruise. Here we go. It's boarding time. No wait. It's about 12:10, 12:15, so we're able to just go right ahead and board. And then I see that there is an elevator, escalator for any who would need it. And there's our beautiful ship coming up the way, as I showed you earlier. Good morning. Just the world. Hello. So here is the part where you get really excited. You know, you're walking through and you know you're just steps away from boarding the ship that you have been waiting on for the longest. And it's been years since we've done Princess, so excitement. The carpet is telling us that it's official, y'all. We are now on board the Enchanted Princess. We are here. We have arrived. Cynthia, Really? Let's view this ship. Let's check out the Enchanted Princess. Over here we have the celebrations. Looks like it's a sweet shop. And this is the piazza. Let's take a look at this. This is calling me. our first night, we are having dinner in the Amalfi restaurant, which took us a minute to find. We were on, of course, the very opposite side of the ship. You have to go up, walk all the way across, and then come down. 14 days, we'll figure it out. So we're at Amalfi, and here is a look at the menu. And here's the other side. So, some good options. Let's check it out. Here is our bread selection, and of course they brought us some butter as well. Here is my chilled.
Okay, enjoy everybody.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Here is a look of that. I have Greek salad as well. And the prawns. And here is a look at our salmon. Here is our dessert menu, and of course the after dinner beverages.
Cynthia, the Princess Love Boat.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Make a hole.
Thank you.
Beautiful. One dessert, the souffle, yummy, and the love boat drink. Very cute, right? That is so adorable.
Oh, that's supposed to
I hope it tastes just as good as it looks. Thank you.
Okay, enjoy the shirt.
Oh, okay. And of course,
Everything okay?
some yummy fruits. It's trivia time here at Princess Live. We're about to do the Where in the World trivia. This should be fun. Tiff, are you ready for Where in the World trivia?
I am.
Mom, are you ready for Where in the World trivia?
No, I'm not.
All right, let's see how we do with this. Trivia's over, and out of 20, both of us got 11. We didn't win. Well, the first day is done. Sorry about the lighting. It was a great embarkation day. We had a blast. Getting to the port was really no problem, except once you got right there, of course, like I'm sure at every port, it got a bit crowded, but they dropped us off. Porters grabbed the luggage immediately, told us where to go, and we did not stop until we got on the ship. It was painless and very quick. Love that. The vibe on the Enchanted Princess, I have to be honest with you. I knew that this demographic is going to be a bit older, so the music was lively and entertaining and upbeat, so I was very, very happy with that. Music playing, people smiling, it was all good. Beautiful ship, not overdone, very elegant, understated, gold and elegant. Elegant is the word that I would use for this beautiful ship. Then we got to run around the ship a little bit, maybe not run, we walked, trying to find our way. We came into the stateroom. Hopefully you have had a chance to watch the stateroom video. And if not, I'll link that for you down in the description below. So check that out. We unpacked and then we went and had, we went and played trivia, walked around, and then we had dinner at the dining room. Dinner was good. All of the food was good. There was nothing like overly great, nothing terrible. It was good food, good service, and we had a great time. And then of course, like you do on any embarkation day, a lot of times you crash because you've been traveling or whatever it is. It's just all the excitement and then it's time to go to bed. And that's exactly what we did. So I hope you have enjoyed the Enchanted Princess Embarkation Day. Please do stick with us throughout this whole 14-day fun on the Enchanted Princess. We have a lot coming for you. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll catch you at the next adventure.